how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do it to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Many people, make una see am. Many people, everyone, if not many people, everyone is always vulnerable to the time waster. That is exactly what happened to Muhammadu Buhari. Now it is Peter Obi everywhere. I'm not asking you to prove me wrong here. No. I'm a sound stupid. Don't prove me wrong now. It is after 2023. You are still going to come and cry, oh, Peter Obi, we thought Peter Obi, I voted Peter Obi. I thought it was going to take us to, the man spoke very well. Peter Obi is not your problem. You are the problem of Nigeria. Muhammadu Buhari is not your problem. You are the problem of Nigeria. You that you're watching me, those of you that are voting for this bigotis, both in religion and ethnic bigotis, you are the one voting for them. Yes, you that are complaining for them. You collect 5,000 naira, you collect 10,000 naira. Now they go from market to market. Give your mama one wrapper, give them 1 cup of rice, give them 5,000 naira, give them 2,000 naira. Oh, we are going to take you to the next listing. Una mama mate, your papa, your mama mate. Nobody they feed them, now government they feed them all over the world. Yes, when you go to the West, your mama at 65, you are not supposed to be giving your mama money. Now government is supposed to take care of your mama. Your mom, your father has been serving the country as a citizen. And after working for 35 years, they can't even collect their pension. Their pension is nothing to write home about. In the year 2023, there will be a vote in Nigeria. Oh, we want to visit Peter Obi. Peter Obi is not actually your problem. You are the problem because you are not fighting for the right thing. Sometimes I think maybe people are being hypnotized. Do you want presidency or you want a freedom? You people don't have a freedom. You don't have freedom. You don't even have freedom from your very self. You as an African, you don't have a freedom. And then you still have those imperialists. You are not free from United Kingdom. You are not free from your own people right there in Nigeria, right there in Africa. Every African government, every African politicians, the same thing, year in, year out. Your children are growing up, right? Probably now some of you are watching me, you are like 50 years old. Some of you like you're 60 years old. Oh, I don't want to go to abroad. Many of you still want to go abroad, right? Many of you want, oh, my children, I want my children to go to London. I want my children to go to America. Oh, I want to come to Israel. Oh, I want to come to Israel. But the same people, you voted for Muhammadu Buhari. And you are still going to vote. Listen, you see people like us who are clamoring for freedom, real freedom. We want to get freedom. Nigeria needs to be divided. I'm not asking you to prove me wrong now. You are going to prove me wrong in 2023. Peter Obi may come to the top as a president, but you are not going to get that thing you want. You are not going to get electricity. You are not going to get a good hospital. You are not going to get a good road. Impossible. Nigeria has been programmed into the hand of Fulanis. Listen. Many of you now they like to forget things. You know they ask questions. United Arab Emirates brought out a list of Nigerian immediate politicians sitting in the house of, in the 3 arms of government. Dubai government said this is the list of the people who are sponsoring Boko Haram. The people are in government. You people are not asking questions. Why is Muhammadu Buhari not bringing those lists out? When Dubai Emirates brought out the list of those who are sponsoring ISWAP, Boko Haram, Fulani henchmen, why is the government not bringing these things into the limelight? Why? Ask yourself a question. I can't pity this our southeast governors. Now Soludo they even vex me pass. Fulani people, you won't see them doing everything with just imagine. I want you to think. Just think like a human. What the Fulani do is they bring out their brothers who are into this terrorism. They take them into the society to become a police officer and army. Right? Now what Soludo is doing, searching for the Biafrans. I mean, he's searching for ESN. Those who are defending the people. Those who make the people to go to farm. Them, they cannot even provide that type of security. They can't provide that strong security that can fight. A Bubagu is just, oh my God, I don't know how to explain this. I don't know how to explain my feelings. You are betrayers. Igbo governors are nothing but betrayers. Southeast governors, they are nothing but betrayers of their own people. You sell out your people to the Fulani. You just want to satisfy the Fulanization. You want to satisfy the Fulanis. You want to satisfy the... Oh my God, this is painful. You won't see these people. Look at the Boko Haram in North. You won't see them pointing fingers. You don't see them pointing fingers. We are not terrorists. We are just asking for referendum. Freedom. Freedom. Nothing but freedom. I'm telling you guys, you are all wasting your time. Nigeria is too big. Nigeria is too divided to be one. We are too divided with ethnicity, etc. Just name it. Just name it. Name it. We see. All of una put hands together. Come out, good Lord Jonathan. Oh, good Lord Jonathan was not doing well. Oh, let us take him out. Oh, Muhammadu Buhari is coming to fight the corruption. Is going to take us to the promised land. 1 naira is going to become $1. Yes, the hospital is going to be built. We are going to have a good road. Oh, hey, Muhammadu Buhari there. Muhammadu. Oh, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba. This is the say Baba. This is the say Baba. This is the say Baba. All of you manage. You have been managing since 2014. The year 2014, when Muhammadu Buhari came to power, we are still the manage it today. Oh no, Peter Obi. Peter Obi is not your friend. I do not hate Peter Obi. You people don't understand me. Many of you, I don't know what you're writing there. I did not say I hate him. I do not hate him. Peter Obi is part of those, is part of corruption. Peter Obi may not be as corrupt as the rest of those people, but Peter Obi is part of those people who make you what you are today. Listen. Oh, many of you say, oh, this is what Peter Obi did in the East. Oh, Peter Obi give a computer. My brother, come on, make una keep quiet. Make una go see una mate where they are abroad. You see that picking where they push for trolley for abroad. Picking where they push for trolley there. See my back. You get picking where they push for trolley there. The phone where that's picking. The phone where they buy give that picking where be say never they talk. I know fit use them. I know fit use them. Every child has a special phone. Special phone. Where they go to play toy for that, they go just hang up. Better phone. Phone we get game. I cannot buy a phone. I can't buy an expensive phone for myself because I want to play game. So Peter Obi, I'm referring this to those of you who say, oh, Peter Obi, the structure of Peter Obi, this and that and that. Thank you. Thank God he did what he did, his own power. He did what he could. But going to that Aso Rock, going to the Aso Rock is something different. The problem is these people are in the 3 arms of government and they are going to do anything possible. They are going to make sure they do anything possible. Peter Obi will not. If he become president, if at all he become the president, which me, inside me, my own wish, they're different. If Biafra never come, okay, let him be president. Let us see, make we see, just like una put Muhammadu Buhari. Una think everybody, oh, people will come and speak English as, oh, Peter Obi, oh, I support Peter Obi, yes. You think nine make you, he make you say you know what you do? All of you are hypnotized. I've said it before. What is the meaning of time, wasting people time? What is the meaning of time waster? That's what I told you. I'm going to read again so that you understand. A time waster, excuse me, a time waster are a behavior, obligation, and other phenomenon that wastes time. It may be anything. Everyone is vulnerable to those time wasters. Everyone is vulnerable, just like many of you are vulnerable to Peter Obi now. You're vulnerable to Tinubu. You are vulnerable to Atiku. Sometimes I come to look when I watch social medias, I see all these people saying, oh, Atiku is the best man. But I forgot to, and I asked myself one question. Say these people say, Nigerian then they? Because Atiku steal Nigerian money. Atiku is corrupt. It's there in the public domain that Atiku is corrupt. Many of you are, oh, Tinubu is part of those who despoil Nigeria. What makes you think that? Let me tell you, none of these people will. You see, it's going to get worse. Worst. If Tinubu enter, it's going to get worse. If Atiku enter, it's going to get worse. If Peter Obi enter, it's going to get worse. You people have a problem. Good morning. My brother, Christianity is not changing. Listen, listen. All of you now, we are, you see, let me tell you, many of you who are against what I say, you are the victim. All of you are victim of the same circumstances. May Nigeria do you. If you think what I'm saying is wrong and you want to swear for me, may Nigerian do you. If Nigerian do you, that time you go know. You see, you're not going to know until you're living healthy life. You eat at least once or twice a day, or sometimes you don't even see anything to eat. You're still good. Wait until you get accident. God forbid. Wait until you get sick. When you get to the hospital, when they tell you say oxygen no day, when they tell you say if you no pay money, they're not going to take care of you. That is when you understand that Nigerian don't do you. Listen, I'm not here to condemn my brother Peter Obi as a human. I love him as a human, but I don't want him to become a president. He's a time waster. He's not going to become a president. And if peradventure he become a president, what do you think? You think he's going to take you to the next level? They are not going to let him take you now to the next level. If Peter Obi could fix that electricity, listen, fixing the electricity in Nigeria is not a rocket science. It's never a rocket science. It's not as if they're giving you electricity for free. They ain't giving you electricity for free. They don't just want to. Those who trade and buy generators, Atiku is trading, buying and importing generator into Nigeria. How do you think they are going to fix? No. When Peter Obi become president, they are going to sit down and talk. They must talk. Listen. If he doesn't listen, he no go last, just like Abacha. You now see Abacha, the way Abacha died. Abacha did not just sleep and never wake up. It was the handwork of the people. Peter Obi will have peradventure. He's going to fall into their category. Now, then they call elites. The elite. Now, that time you're going to hear presidency say, not the president. President is not saying anything. The presidency, the presidency, the president. Just like you heard about Muhammadu Buhari for the past 4 years. It's the presidency. When they want to say, they say, the presidency say. The presidency say. The presidency say. The handwriting is on the wall already. The handwriting is on the wall already. The handwriting is on the wall. Kuje prison was done. Was done with. Which Kuje prison? Abuja is not even safe. Oh my God. You people are just a time waster too. None of those people. Listen, we don't need to fight though. Those of you that are watching me here, we don't need to fight, my brothers. God will keep you all alive. God will keep me alive. 2023, when I go still come the cry. Now when I go still come the cry here, Peter Obi, you say you go fix the electricity within 6 months. You don't fix the electricity. Come on. You are nothing but a third world country. Third world country. See, in the world, listen, the West, they call themselves first world country. The Asians are the second world country. You are the third world country. You are nothing but a tissue paper. You produce oil, you produce diamond, you have nothing to offer the world. Still, the world did not see you as nothing. When you have oil in your country, you can produce crude oil in your country, and you cannot refine the oil in your country. You are nothing but mugu. Mugu. Diamond and gold are being dug out of Africa. Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, but they don't have no companies that is just refining all this gold in Africa. They come, they take the gold, they go to America, they find, they produce, and come back and sell for you. When you want to buy gold now, you guys don't even know gold. Many of you don't even know what gold look like. When I was in Nigeria, I never know what gold looked like until I went to South Africa. When I got to South Africa, I said, oh, now like this gold. I've seen a gold that is black. Black gold. I see, he said, when they finish to refine this, this is what they actually call gold. Many of you don't know gold. Oh. Nigeria, I never know anything. I tell you that. Listen, if all of us put hands together and let them divide the country, let this country just divide. Hausa people go take their own side. We go take our own side. Oduduwa go take their own side. We go back to the drawing board. But the reason why these people don't want to divide Nigeria, I told you people all the time, is because Nigeria is being traded. They don't buy power holdings. The oil in the southeast, they have oil well, they are trading. They don't want to lose their businesses. For sure. And we are going to take it by force. We are not going to stop agitating. For God forbid. God forbid. I've never seen.
My word That brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do where to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.